Here's the latest Mustang to get pictured up and video done at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. Now this particular car has had a repaint from ivy green to, I would kind of call this a burnt orange. Nice deep smoky looking orange color. Looks cool on this car, no doubt about that. I wouldn't call it ember glow, but more of a copper to an orange color. This would be an A code car and does have a 289 4-barrel underneath the hood. That is paired up with a C4 automatic transmission. Now, if you want to snoop around, take a look at the pictures. Look underneath the hood of this car, underside of it, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. You can always call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, chrome bumpers, bright work grille, nice shape up front. The video and the picture is tough to make this paint look as good as it does in person. If I get far enough away from it and you get the true orange color to it, very nice looking. Sometimes if I get up close to things or kind of get right up on top of it, that's pretty true to it right there. It doesn't wash out too bad. Sometimes the burgundies, certain colors will start to wash out when they're on the camera or the video. Should take a look up and down the side of this car. As you can see, riding on the Mustang alloy rally style wheel. This also has power brakes, power steering, has AC in it also. The AC does blow cool. Would I necessarily say it's cold? No, and it's kind of the dealer installed style underneath the dash mounted, but it is working, functioning. Clutch turns on and off. You can see where it's been converted also. It is not R12. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in for that. As you can see, the GT style dual exhaust out the rear, backup lights. And again, take a close look at the rear bright work from the taillight bezels to the chrome bumper in the rear. This is an aftermarket stereo system in this with the speakers in the trunk and some also down in the kick panels. Radio does work in this car fine. And again, you can see the still pictures. You can check out the trunk pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Give you a good look up and down the driver's side of this car. Again, not really much for nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, you may find a little one here or there, or maybe a touch-up spot. Car has been driven, so you might find a little something. This originally was a Southern car too. The DSO was Jacksonville, Florida for delivery. All right, let's check out this interior. This car would have came with the standard interior in it, according to the data tag, and you can see the data tag in with the still pictures. Door panels look good. Carpeting, floor mats, vinyl also look good in this car. As you can see, seat belts installed. So it'd have the 2+2, of course. And you can see pictures with the seat folded down and with it up in the still pictures, so you can get a good look at it both ways. Headliner also in nice condition. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Let it warm up a little bit and we'll listen to it. We'll pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay also. All right, oil pressure going right up. Fuel gauge appears to be working also. Is moving up. Now the question is how accurate. If so, it's pretty low. Amp meter working. And assuming the temp gauge is going to come up along with the temp of the vehicle. Now, here's that kind of retro style aftermarket radio. And that does work. It'll power up. Going to be static. It's not a state that comes in, but that does work. Alright, also wipers do work. Had those going just a second ago. I'm going to clip those on for you. Wipers work. There's where you can see the speakers in the kick panel. Alright, I think we should have this warmed up now. Slip around to the back of it so you can hear it idle. Again, 289 4-barrel. Does have an Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock intake. Sounds like we got a little bit of cam on there. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front of this. I'm going to pause it 1 second. Let's check out the engine bay and see how that looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
It looks good underneath there also. Take a look at that. Here we go. There's the AC compressor, as you can see. Looks like they have little dressed up valve covers. Air cleaner chrome lid. Like electronic ignition. And you can also see where the refrigerant is not R12 anymore. Has been converted over. That's 134. The Ford Racing valve covers. Northern aluminum radiator. So there you go, looking for a Fastback. Not going to be like every other one you see on the street. Good looking color. Here it is. 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. 289 under the hood. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You can call in or email.